I walked out of the exam center twice feeling defeated, but the third attempt changed everything. Common mistakes most candidates make include memorizing commands instead of understanding behavior and ignoring scenario-based questions during prep. Many also have a weak understanding of PAN-OS architecture, skip hands-on lab practice, or rush through questions without reading the scenarios carefully. My initial wrong strategy was watching random YouTube videos with no structure and having zero week-by-week plan. I had zero lab time on actual PAN-OS, did not review my wrong answers, and even skipped critical topics like VPN and decryption. What finally worked was following a structured 4-week study plan and practicing scenario-based questions every single day. I used a Palo Alto virtual firewall for hands-on configuration and took 3 full mock exams, reviewing every single mistake. I focused extra time on my weak domains, decryption and user ID. This precision was key to my success. Here are the top 3 things you must change. First, do scenario questions from week 1, not week 4. Second, get hands-on with PAN-OS. Do not skip labs. And third, take mock exams seriously and track your scores. Now you know what to avoid. Watch our next video, how NetSec-Pro can get you a 120K job for the exact career roadmap.